Still using find and replace in Excel? Substitute. Does it automatically. Substitute function replaces specific text inside a cell with new text, dynamically. Basic syntax equals substitute open parenthesis, text comma, old text comma, new text comma, instance number close parenthesis. In this example, let's remove hyphens from column A. Type formula as equals substitute open parenthesis, a 2 comma, quote, dash quote, comma, quote, quote, close parenthesis. If you want to replace text with space here to change underscores to spaces, type formula as equals substitute open parenthesis, a 1 2 comma, quote, underscore quote, comma, quote, space, quote, close parenthesis. If you want to replace only the second hyphen, type the function as equals substitute open parenthesis, a 12 comma, quote, dash quote, comma, quote, space quote, comma, 2 close parenthesis, where substitute is used. Clean imported data, fix product codes, remove unwanted symbols, standardize text, prepare dashboard-ready data. Unlike find and replace, this updates automatically when data changes. Bonus tip: combine substitute with trim to remove extra spaces completely. Equals trim open parenthesis, substitute open parenthesis. Type formula, close parenthesis. If you like this video, please subscribe to dptutorials for more Excel formulas, shortcuts, and real-world productivity tutorials.